It's 5:20. We're waking up with clear skies and incredibly cold temperatures. 25 degrees out at the airport with our wind out of our north at 8 miles per hour. It feels like we're coming in at 16. Talk about frigid. And that's not the only thing that's low. Our dew points are also low. So our moisture content in the air, just really not seeing a lot of that moisture. So that's going to allow temperatures to fluctuate slightly. But you're also going to notice drinking a little bit more water today, as well as potentially needing some more lotion on your hands or even that lip gloss, because we will have such dry Arctic conditions. Right now we're sitting 22 in Short Pump, 24 down in Chester, a cold 25 in Mechanicsville along with Sanson. And you'll notice that's the trend across the board, with the exception of Louisa, where you're coming in at 18. Now these temperatures, yes, they're cold, but when you put in what it really feels like, thanks to this wind, you'll notice it is frigid. We're waking up feeling like 18 in Kilmarnock, 19 is what it feels like over in the Tri-Cities, 16 in the city, 26 in Tappahannock, and of course these will fluctuate as that wind fluctuates as well, but definitely a cold day is on tap. Now I'm not looking to see anything in the way of winter precipitation, but it's going to feel like a winter wonderland with these numbers staying around freezing even as we head into lunchtime. After lunch we'll see that high around 38 to 39 degrees, but with that wind it's still going to cut off a few of those degrees, feeling closer to the low 30s. Now we are looking to see those temperatures really dropping once that sun sets. Sunset today 5 o'clock, and I look for those numbers to head into the 20s before the 9 o'clock hour. Tomorrow we're waking up in the low 20s. A few teens will be scattered about, and you'll notice this particular model run has some cloud cover moving in by afternoon and even some rain showers trying to develop Thursday into Friday. Let me show you this other model run. This is a system that's going to develop right along the coast. I look for it to hug the coastline. It could potentially go a little bit just off to our west. However, I look for the best chance of rain to take place overnight Thursday into Friday down around Hampton Roads area and then skirting its way into the northern neck as well as portions of the Middle Peninsula. This is not going to be a huge rain maker, but it is enough to note. Temperatures today staying in the 30s all day long, that high 39. Tomorrow morning we're back in the teens and 20s. By the afternoon hours, 49 for your high. We continue to go up, 51 on Friday. That's when I look to see a little bit of that rainfall along the coastal areas. Temperatures do head up into those 40s and 50s, but Robin Reba, this is still below the average high for this time of year. Yes, we're warming up, but we could be warmer. I'll have all the details coming up of what's projected in the weeks to come in just